welcome back to One Hot Bite. Melissa here, where healthy doesn't have to be boring. And I thought I was going way out on a limb and baking today at the tail end of summer. And as you can see, it's very dim and dark here. And we've had crazy thunderstorms and some flooding, but all is well. So it was a perfect day to bake. So we are going to bake some Tuscan lemon muffins today. And these are savory for the most part, sweet a little bit, but they're just very, very delicious. These are a family favorite. So we're gonna go ahead and put these together. There's a secret ingredient in these that really brings moisture in and keeps fat out. So we're gonna throw these together really quickly. So these are not only healthy, but they're also super satisfying. We're gonna throw these together. These come in at 186 calories per muffin. They are a regular size muffin. They aren't super tiny because some people wonder, oh, okay, it's low in calories, so it's gotta be tiny. It is not. These are actually normal size muffins. Let's hurry up and whip these together. Thank you so much for being here. Happy Monday. Let's get cooking. We are going to start with our dry ingredients once again. We have flour, we have sugar. We're going to add some baking powder to this, as well as a little bit of salt. We're just going to whisk those together super quick, and you can see these are going to come together very, very quickly. This is our secret ingredient, some part-skim ricotta cheese, a little bit of water. We're going to also add a little bit of olive oil here, and this is what's going to make that nice savory flavor. We're bringing in the lemon here with lemon zest and some lemon juice, fresh squeezed lemon juice. Your oven is preheating to 375 while we're doing this. As soon as we get our wet ingredients together, we're going to add 1 egg. You can beat the egg before or as we incorporate this. We're going to mix this together really well. You can use a hand mixer for this, but I really didn't think it was necessary. You're just going to whip it to a nice creamy consistency. We're going to make a little well in our dry ingredients. We're going to add those wet ingredients to it, and just using a whisk, or you can even use a rubber spatula, we're going to incorporate these ingredients just until they are moist. So you don't need to go crazy with this. You don't want to overbeat it at all. We want to add that nice fluffy airy texture to these. So as soon as it's mixed, I have a muffin pan that I'm going to add liners to. And as soon as those are added, I did add a spritz of cooking spray over the top of these just so they came out super easy. We're going to level these off and divide this into all 12 of these muffins. So again, our oven is preheated to 375. These are going to cook for 16 minutes or until your toothpick comes out clean. But before those go in the oven, we're going to add just a spritz of raw sugar over the top. So just a little dusting. You don't have to go crazy here. Just a nice little dusting. You can see how I've barely put any on the top of these, but that is going to add the most amazing texture on top of these. I know we did this again. These muffins are beautiful. They have that little bit of the sugar on top, the raw sugar on top, and it's going to add that little bit of texture to this, but they're soft and beautiful. I'm going to open one up so you can see. Let's get this wrapper off. But these are just, they smell so good. Nice and spongy, so they're moist. But let's give this a taste. They're creamy. That lemon is right there, but it's not punching you in the face. The olive oil kind of makes this savory. Not like you can taste olive oil. And then that little crisp sugar on top. These are so delicious. You got to give these a try. But I want to thank you again so much for being here. If you saw what you liked, please subscribe down below. Smash that like button. If you have any questions or concerns, please comment down below. I love you guys. We'll see you next week. And next week is a surprise, so make sure you tune in Monday. Have a great week.